Anmiet Shaban Paish ki Kubo ki bebunia ini pechwai ki mat bekongsan. On sedang ke dorbar mang tingka jong ke yang dorbar tauan ke jela ke kat riu terik urempang on wanra umin tidang ba ke jela ya ke mang tingka ha ke atau terik urempang. Menteri Kam ke Meghalaya ya ke Resident Safety Act habarok ke ke jela dan kami punya ikarukom Menteri Kam ya ke an ke bakum ke ILP ong usembut menjurang bak ke jela ubak prestum tingsong. Duna ke jengnya kenat kaput ke jela Meghalaya bat asam hadian ke jengtau ya ki Regional Committee ong usembut menjurang bak ke jela ubak tingsong. Yasno kinong trei bang Meghalaya ha ka jing sange trei kam ha barok ke wei keri dawa ban trei sansingi ha ka shitayau. Bat rai khadu ke India bat ka European Union ya ka soskular bomdon kam siu ki kam khai pateng ha New Delhi. Ong umudi ba ka dei ka lenti sha ka pahu pahai jong baro alia. Mentang inya paishwa shaki kubo nakaleng ke jela. Ka dorbar mang tingka jong ke yang dorbar tauan ke jela kan sedang ke kat riu terik bat kan beteng hadu ke arpenyo terik ubnai rempang. Ke bandon hadu shipau teli ki sengi ban syong dorbar. On sedang ya kini ke dorbar da ka jingkeren na ulat ka jela halo kimat terekam jong ke sorkar mentau senem. Haba jingkren shikila patai kubor ulampang jong ke yang dorbar tauan u Thomas A. Sangma ulaong baha ke jingelang jong ke Business Advisory Committee larai baha ke ne ke dorbar kan kentup ya laisengi na ke benta ki private members business bat nyausengi na ke benta ke government business. Ula benrap ru ba menteri rang ba ke jela u Konrad ki Sangma u babat ya ke tenat finance unsara ya ke mang tingka jong ke jela ha ke apau terik urempang.
The meeting of the Business Advisory Committee to discuss about the coming budget session, and we have decided that budget session will be commencing from 16th February, which is Monday, and we'll have 10 working days, and which will end on 27th February 2026. We have, I think, 3 private members business and the rest are all government business.
Usembut Menteri Kejela ubak Preston Tingsong ulaong bagi Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act la penterikam ha barok kewei Kejela lingba ki board district hakaba la kam perking hanong ba Shillong. Ula pensyai berkenekaan kam don kam kenu ke kendon hakaba yadei bat ki jakarung ni jakami. Ubak tingsong ula benrap ru ba kesoka kadang bisa benya ya ki an Immigration and Foreigners Act haja apsan banwat ya kerukom trekam kabalong kum ke ILP. Hagajuk kepor ula keren ru halo kajing petngor ya ki kaput bat ban pen KM biang ya ki seng Village Defence Party haki jaka kaput.
If the Act 2025 of the Immigration and Foreigners Act, whether we can also maybe cope in some kind of provision over there to implement it, maybe just like ILP type of. But that again, we have already referred this details of the provisions in the latest Act 2025 Foreigners and Immigration Act passed by the Parliament to be again looked into by the Advocate General and their team of legal experts.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubak Preston Tingsong ulaong ba ka jing bemia ngautu jingmut haki jaga kaput apeng Kejela Meghalaya badasam keladuna hadien ke jing tau ya ki Regional Committee apeng kini ki Arjela. Daga bakadau ya ka Maikuli ulaong ba ya ki jing wodong ki belami kam haswa na kinong shnong ke Assam halo ka jingtung ya ki pus elektrik lala ban penbej hadien ka jing kren hapdeng ki bo penyak district jong baro ar ki jela da ka jing yo jing menjur na ka asam ya ka kam lala ban beteng biang ka bo penpau ya ka jing trelang bat ka jing penne ya ka jing suk ha ki jaka khaput
that as of now, I don't say that it is out of control, but it it's happening everywhere where the misunderstanding takes place. But again, let me tell you one thing. Right from that time when we constituted this regional committee in both sides of the state, we could see a lot of improvement has happened. And in Maikuli, I think we have seen it that the uh, residents of Assam, they did not allow erection of electric pole in that area. But ultimately, we have instructed our GC to have a meeting with his counterpart, and even not only that, we went ahead by having a peace committee of those villages, and now everything is resolved, and even the erection of the electric pole is allowed by Assam.
Ka Meghalaya ru koleshim benta ka jing khi sange trekam jong ki bang ha baro ka wei kari menta ka sngi ha ka baki nong trei po jong ka lama United Forum of Bank Unions kila pelong ya ka jing khi persha habar jong ka Office State Bank of India Shillong main branch la yo i ya ki nong trei jong ki bang baki bat ya ki plakat ha ringkat ka jing perta unong elam jong ka union ulat dawa ban pentrekam no mardor ya ka jing trei sansngi ha ka shitayo da ka bakadau baki hap tray bun kenta ka jing bun kam na ka daw ka digitalization bat ka jing don kam ban penbiang ya ka kam bat ka rukom im ringkat ka jing maham baki nang penjur shu ya ka jing khi lada omle ai halo ka jing dawa jongki
my fellow men that what a fraction can do to you.
On behalf of you as the joint convener, I would like to convey this message to everyone that we are on strike today on the 27th of January 2026 across India. This strike has been called under the banner of United Forum of Bank Union. This is an umbrella organization of all the associations across the cadre, across the banks. We represent all the public sector banks, quite a few number of private banks, all the rural banks, all the cooperative banks. Now, the strike that we have called today is for our demand of 5 days banking. Yeah, workload is so much. So that is affecting our health. We believe that this will help all the bankers, and that way we will be able to serve all the public much better, much better. This is our demand for 5 days banking, and one of the many demands that we have put forward to the government. So the strike which has been called today across India is basically for demand for 5 days banking.
La pelong ya ka mini bazar ka ba asngi hadisi park tura ha ka apasan ba apnil trik mentau benai haringkat ka jeng rakhe ya ka republic dia ha ka ba palat lai phongwat ki nong snakti bat ki nong senkam lajong ki layo ban pen inam ya ki mar ki jongki ya ka ne program la play the deputy commissioner of Vibhor Agarwal haringkat ka jeng donlang jong superintendent of police u Abraham T Sangma nolor ki wei Agane ke program ki don ki tiar snakti ki jingbam tenrai ke put ketem bat ki wei ki jing lekai. Aba ai jingkren hakane ke program uneu he sarkar ula penpau ke jing kongsan ban ai jing kershan ye ki mar ki ba penmi halashnong ba ban kentiu ya ki nong sengkam lejong ha West Garo Hills.
The event in DC Paktura has been planned for 2 days, which is 25th and 26th. In this 2 days program, we have emphasized a lot of activities for everyone, and we request everyone to come and join. And as we celebrate the 77th Republic Day celebration in Tura DC Park, we have huge numbers of buyers and sellers. Meeting interactions will happen. We have plus 30 stalls here which will be displaying their products and talents in different ranges of handloom, artifacts, artilleries, how to promote Meghalaya as an entrepreneurship state in the Northeast and in our nation in India.
Ka Yatrelang Village Organization ka kanhun bayalam da ki longkeme ka bakentup yan realtali ki self-help group na kasnong pahambir them Kabadon haribhoi mentag sngi kala rakhie bagala play pajba ya ka office trekam kabathmai. UMLA ka nongpo uba Melbourne im ula play ya ka ni ka office but layro ya ka seng halo ka jing teli bat ka jing shimkhia jong ka seng na ka benta ka bah ka miat ha ka imlang ka salang. Uba im ula IT ru ya ka work order na ka benta ban pen bah shu ya ka one ka office. Hagan ke program lawan benishim bentaru dau MDC kenongpo uba Matthew Makdo kenong elam shnong bat kiwei kireu paukhmat.
Om don ka kam ka ba sup la de ka begini yo ada ka ba sup. Kana ko ka kam kin don bet kijing ni haban ya. Ni haban trish to. Ni haban yaisha. Ni haban syakren, ni syaban tiu. Ni mat kijing ki babun, ni mlalat na kata. Om don. Kijing ki bangi don, ki bangi kendu. Ni hab benang ben pen kelai ki. Bakin degi kabu. Kibangin penbahapat ya kecing jai nukti jungi kum kinok chungsi.
Nakilum jong katura lami ke khana ke berjarjar ndrei ke bansa jing kenmau halor ke sap shna jing shna ke culture bat ke jing yaine ha ke kerta ke ba nru phunyo snam ke DC moment ke fashion designer ke bapau bat ke nong shna khiu khandau ke badon sap ban pene pensa ya ke riti ke dustur garu lingba ke jing shna ki bam kta ya ke maryang ba ke jing penwandur ki ba ishongkun tunginya khmi halo ke ni ke khubor
so jadi
Lakha yaka ha ka longying ka im sngi ha ki kam shna jing shna. Ki kam shna jing shna jong ka DC moment ki lasdang da ka jing shna ki sintiu jan bat ki tiar penriam ha ki nyatho hatura. Ka kam ka basdang kum ijing rap ibaret ban ke shane ki ying yatho kristan kala kala long penban ka jingele ka baskem ban penne ya kariti ka dustur bat ya ka culture jong ki garu. Kajingele jongka ban pensani shu ya kajing thrang kala lam ya ka kajing shnadur da ka khindo dani ka terracotta art ha ka ba kala shem ya kajing khot bashisha jongka na kajing shnai ki dor ba ki khu bonsai sha kajing shnai ki jing deng rendang baharukom ka kam jongka DC ka pen paw ya kajing long jongka Garo Hills ka bayeng scam ha ka riti ka dustur Henry kabaya habdur bat kejuk kabamenta.
Since childhood, I was engaged or involved in so many creative activities. Since both my parents are creative, they are artistic. At first, when I was younger, I was doing some wedding accessories for Christian wedding because those days the accessories for the Christian weddings were not available here in Tura. So to help them out, I just they first saw my work when I did for my elder sister's wedding. So after seeing I did some work, I did some accessories for my elder sister. These orders came in pouring, so I had to cater to them because at least they don't have to go to Shillong or Guwahati to buy those wedding accessories. So those days I make boutonnieres, bouquets, and wedding veils.
Dakabathan kle lang ya kiksay kibayo na kamaryang bat kiksay ka jugmenta ka Daisy kalayak tre lang bat kinong tanjan halasnong ban pinmi yakijan kum ka ampag ka carpet siyang kikaro ka balajushna na kisnabding kalashnaru ya kiway pat kijingshna kum ka sharag na unjur ubang ikot ukulong kijingdeng kibashna na urnga bat kiway de kityar.
I started doing terracotta. I ventured into terracotta works because since 80s I was very interested in bonsais. So those days bonsai pots weren't available in Jura. So I thought that I'll have to make some pots for my bonsais. So with a little help from this traditional potters from the plain belt, I tried out doing some potteries myself, and from potteries I ventured into doing some sculptures, terracotta sculptures, and then from terracotta sculptures, terracotta accessories. So that is how all my venture after venture I tried out, but they are all accidental. I don't have in mind that I'll be doing this or I'll be doing that, but all came accidentally, I think.
House nam kat kanai spa kanai kukra na kadao kani ka jing stang thamai jongka ka baphet lapenong ya ka banyo opdyang ya kusnam National Award for Excellence in Fashion Designing na ka nift ka balong ka jing job ka ba ka klampai perkhat banyo henry ka ba itho pat ya ka kam bat ka jing pasyang jongka ban pendan kam ya ka jing penwandur kat kum kariti dustur jongka Hadin bakala syong thait nakakam kum ka lady supervisor nakatanat social welfare house nam arja khatnyo ka desi kala punod por yala di siya kakam shna jing shna jongka bat ka ngit group baka jing iet ya kapulsha kala ay ya ka board ka jing kemen bat ka jing yo jing itho.
Why I was selected for that the NIFT National Award, because competitors were there, well established fashion designers were also there. I won't name them, but my design is very unique because very eco-friendly. I use only eco-friendly materials with traditional inspired motifs, Karo motifs, and with a very small, no cuttings and no stitching. So everything is simple. That is why my creations are selected.
Lingba ki kam ki jongka ka desi ka nyai beteng ban ai man si me ki pateng ki banwan da ka bakentu ya ki ban khenko ya ki jing hika ki barem bat ya ka tenrai jongki bat ban penne ya ka riti ka dustur jongki garu lingba ki kam ki jongki ka jing island ti jongka desi moment ka long palat ban ya ka kam shna jing shna jongka ka de ka jing le kemen ha ka jing long tenrai ka jing la ban penne pensa ya ka jing yo pateng bat du ka jing pen kan mau balada ka riti dustur kaya kendu bat ka jing angnut om tang ba ka culture ka im hande kanang hi im shu shu. Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya.
Mentangin ya page ki kubor na kaleng ka tan shatay lamingi. Ka Nagaland kalapli perda ya ka drone school bat ka drone center of excellence ka beningkong jongka ha Nagaland GIS bat remote sensing center ha Kohima kum shibenta jongka jing rakhe ya ka Republic Day ka ba nyo punyo ya ka ne ka jaka lapli da umintrang ba ka jala on nephew Rio ka ne ka sinjam ka thmu ban ailat ya ki samla ban yo jing hikai halo ka advanced drone technology skills bat ban kentio ya ki lat sengkam sengjam ka ban sedang thamai Kani ka drone school kan aya ka DGCA compliant remote pilot certificate course haringkat bat ki specialized short term program ha ki non DGCA level. Mentangin ya pai shi ka kubor na kaleng kari. Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi haba ai jingkran ha ka program India Energy Week mentaga sngi ulaong ba ka jingate ha ka khai pateng ka balat lut ka ya bat ka jingate khai pateng ha padeng kari India bat ka UK bat ka ne kan penklan ya ki company na ki karkhana bat ki wei shu ulaong ba ka ne ka jingate ka dei ka jingate lang ha padeng ki artli ki ri ki baklan ha ka yo ka kon kabelong shibenta naka lai benta ka kai pateng ha ka perthei modi ulapan pau ya ka jingkiu jong ka jingdawa jong kari India ya ka boarding bat kilat ki kabu naka benta ki nong sengkam naka keleng ka perthei da ka baong ba ka India ka dei kari ka bawan ha ka kerdan ka basan ban shalan ya ki mar ki mata ki bami naka petrol
आज एनर्जी सेक्टर के लिए भारत बहुत बड़े अवसरों की धरती है भारत दुनिया की फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग दुनिया के 150 से ज्यादा देशों तक हमारी एक्सपोर्ट कवरेज है
padang lete soskular nyautali ki jingete bakongsan ki bakentup ya ka khai pateng ki lat jingada ki kam yadari kalat ai jingerap hagapo badon jinge ka green hydrogen bat kiwei bathamai bat kiwei kat ba ka EU ka le ro ya ka jingete kum ka lenong bathamai ha ka jingedei jong ke
जर्मनी की पहली महिला रक्षा मंत्री नहीं यूरोपियन यूनियन कमीशन की भी पहली महिला प्रेसिडेंट बनकर पूरी दुनिया के लिए एक प्रेरणा है कल मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में शामिल हुए
We were privileged yesterday to be India's capabilities and diversity. Today is a historic moment. We are opening a new chapter in our relations on trade, on security, on people-to-people ties.
La pelong ya kejingelang jong barok ki seng sain perthei haswa jong ka dorbar mang tingka jong ka yeng dorbar thawaan ka ban sawan ka bala pelong ha New Delhi ha ka ba layalam da umentri ketnat yadari Rajnath Singh agane kejingelang lawan banyashim benta da kinongelam ki bekentup ya UJP Nada Kiren Rijiju Arjun Ram Megwal Dr L Murugan bat kinongelam kaliang persha Ujay Ram Ramesh Tiruchi Shiva Sagarika Ghosh bat Ram Gopal Yadav Kedorba mang tingka kan sedang la syai kesngi bat kan beteng hadu ke arterik uyayong agaba on sedang da ka jing ajing keren na ka presiden keri ban penbuat da ka jing keren benya halor ke mang tingka jong keri habaro arteli ki yang dorbar ong umentri ke parliamentary affairs ukeren rejiju
कि ये बजट सेशन है और साल का पहला पार्लियामेंट सेशन है तो शुरुआत 28 तारीख यानी कि कल आदरणीय राष्ट्रपति जी का अभिभाषण से शुरू होगी ज्वाइंट सेशन ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट कल 11 बजे तय किया गया है और 29 तारीख को इकोनॉमिक सर्वे पेश किया जाएगा और 1 तारीख जो तय किया गया है नरेंद्र मोदी जी का सरकार आने के बाद 1 फरवरी को आम बजट पेश किया जाएगा
mentang nya pai chi khubor na kaleng ka perthei Ga Japan menta ka sngi kala penpai ya arteli ki khun giant panda u shosho bat lele shari China ka balong ka sien ka ba ningkong na do snam ka khandai spa nyopua ba kari Japan kanam don shu ya ki panda ka jing ai khublei khadu ka dei na ka jing nangjur ki kanrom kanram hapdeng ka Tokyo bat ka Beijing ka jing kanat ka bala nangjur na ka jingkren ba dangshen halo ka Taiwan da ki hajar ngut ki nongwan jungok kai kila poi ha eno zu ha Tokyo bat ap da ki kenta ban pet khadu iki panda ki ba kha sanrap house nam ajar apoi hapo ka breeding loan program ka China ka labat ya ka jinglong try ya barok ki panda ki ba shu ai ram agaba kari kiri ki ba shim ban ri ki hab ban siu $1 million shijur man lau snam ampat la ban batai halo ka lawai jong kinu ki panda ki ba mut ban shim ram thamai da kari Japan Kari India Galatian benta kum kari ke banyak trailang ha ke Gulfood ahaja apun reu ke belong ke program ke bahek tam ha ke perthei ke bapen inam ya ki marbam bat ki jingdi ke ba laju pelong malau senam ke ba lasdang menta ke sengi ha Dubai ha atli ke Jaka ha ke sien beningkong ke peda Kabahap apok ke Ministry of Commerce and Industry ke bala mi khmat ya ke India. Kadara ke bashi hajar sauspa lai pusau square meter jong ke India ke bala pli perda da u food processing secretary u Avinash Joshi haringkat ke jingdon lang u nongra aktiens em ke India sha UAE u dipak metal kadon ya shispa nrup huai ngut kinong de mar ki bana absan teli ki jela bat ke pen inam ya ki jingbam ki ba khau ki dai ki jingdi bat ki babon jat bat ki wei de.
This for the first time, India has been the partner country for Gulfood, and we have the largest presence amongst all countries. We have more than 600 plus companies from India who are showcasing the strength of agriculture from India in terms of the rice, fresh fruits, processed food products, milk products. A variety of products have been showcased. And one very important feature this time is that we are showcasing different varieties of Indian rice apart from basmati. So you have the Kala Namak rice, you have the Pandi rice, you have the Push Bhuji rice in Jammu Kashmir. So all the regions are being represented. So a very vibrant pavilion has been erected. We have a chef influencers who is doing live testing.
Mentangin ya page ki khubor ya lekai. Kakenhun ya lekai ice hockey ke Indian Army kalala long kaladu hak lempung ya lekai Khelo India Ice Hockey Championship ahaja apun Rio dag bapeliem ya ke Chandigarh dalai la argol ha ka jingekun ki shinrang ke long ha NDS Stadium ha le. Ya kene ke jingkun final la pelong ha ka sengi rakhi ya ke Republic Day ha ka bala yo I ya ke jingekun ke basong shit bat kakenhun ya lekai ke sipai ke la yo ya ke nam la du.
विश्वसनीय कभी न भूल पाने वाला ये वो
Temen tapak ini pet ya kejung long jingman kesun beneng hakeleng ki benta jong kejela. Hatura kejung kriat kelong katsan degree Celsius bat kejung shit kelong apusau degree Celsius kejung sengam gau menta kesengi kelong sapunyo na kesispa. Aba pai pat shanong ba shlong kajing kriat kalong pra degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong kat pra degree Celsius kajing sengam gau hau mentag sengi kalong saupusan na kashispa kat bah juai pat kajing kriat kalong pra degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong kat pra degree Celsius kajing sengam gau hau mentag sengi kalong saupusan na kashispa kasun beneng kan syai hatura shlong bat juai Syaban poi syakabakut jong ketup kubon ni pek biang sa isien nyikimat bakongsan sedang gedorba mang tingka jog yang roba tauan ke jela aga kat ril turik urempang on wan ra umin terang ba ke jelai ke mang tingka ke apau turik urempang Menteri Kam ke Meghalaya ya ke Residence Safety Act habaro ke wei ke jela dan kami benya ya ke rukom Menteri Kam ya ke an ke bakum ke ILP ong sembut menjerang ba ke jela uba Preston Tingsong Duna kajing ikan at kaput ke jela Meghalaya bat asam hadiang kajing tau ya ke regional committee ong usembut menjerang ba ke jela uba Tingsong Isnok ti kinong tray bang ke Meghalaya aga jing sengit tray kam habarok ke wikari dawa ban tray sansengi ha ke shitayo Badrai kaduk ke India bat ke European Union ya ke soskular bomdon kam siu ki kam kai pateng ha New Delhi ong umudi ba ke dei ke lenti sya ke pahu pahai jong baro aliang Keteparlok katungila poi sebekut jong ketuk kubor jong mentaga janmit hadu bang Indonesia pelasai ke sini hago jok kepo kubli sibuni kepo jong pi baro bat tiasuk.